In cybersecurity, hands-on experience matters. In one of our net defense projects, we are using real servers and solutions to develop defense mechanisms against real attacks.
We use PCT-ACAD, an enterprise-class virtual data center, to deploy production-style systems and test our defenses in an open-ended, realistic environment. We deploy an intentionally vulnerable WordPress site, a widely used content management system on an Ubuntu server.
Then we built out our cyber defenses with an intrusion detection and prevention system called Snort. After configuring the rules and deploying it in our network path, we activated the intrusion prevention system and it begins monitoring activity.
Then it's go time.
We launch brute force and SQL query injection attacks and get to watch as our IPS shuts down the attack.
To be able to see weeks of hard work actually work in real life is an exciting way to prepare us for cybersecurity roles.